Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download Google Drive files using Linux terminal. If you are using Ubuntu, if you are using Kali Linux, Debian, you can directly download Google Drive files through your terminal, okay, without GUI. So how you can do that? Just follow me. So first of all, I'm going to use my Ubuntu virtual machine, which is created from Oracle Cloud. So you can use any virtual machines, or you can use your computer if you are installed Linux on it. Okay, so I'm using Ubuntu. So this is the Linux distribution. So I'm going to demonstrate with this. Okay, so first of all, you need to install some packages. So for the packages, you need some commands. So for commands, you need to visit my website. So just go to google.com and type Mahesh Technicals and press enter. Here you will get maheshtechnicals.com official website. Just click on it. Now you can see here we have lots of articles. So you need to watch this article, which is how to download Google Drive files via Linux terminal. If you not found this article, just click on search icon and type drive and press enter. Now you can see you got this article. Just click on that article. Here I already given you all the commands related to this topic. So we are going to follow each steps. So first of all, first step is to install some packages. So first of all, you need to update your package manager. For that, just copy this first command and paste into your terminal and press enter. Okay, so now the second command is to install Python and pip. So we are going to install Python 3 and pip. So just copy this command and paste and press enter. Okay, so now the third command is to download gdown. Okay, gdown is the tool which you can use to download your Google Drive files. So just copy this command to install gdown to your system, paste here and press enter. It is very small package, so it will not take too much time, you can see. So now gdown tool is also installed on our system. So how we can check that? So it is very simple. Just type gdown and you will see gdown version on your screen. You can see that. It means gdown successfully installed on your system. Now the second step is to get your Google Drive file sharing link. How you can do that? You can use your laptop or a PC or mobile application. Just open it. Now you can see this is my demo file.zip. I'm going to give you demonstration on that. Just click on three dot icon, then click on share, because first of all we need to make this file publicly available. For that, just click on not shared. Now click on change. Now click on restricted and click on anywhere, anyone with this link option. With this way you can easily make this file publicly available. Now we can copy the link. How you can do that? Just click on three dot icon. Now copy link. That's it. We have sharing link. Okay, now second step is done. Third step, you need to convert your sharing link to gdown link. For that, just use this link to converter tool. So this is the converter tool. Just click on that link. Here you will get some ads. no issue, it is very simple. So just fill the captcha. I'm not a robot. Now you can see on the top here the timer. Just click on that, then click on the bottom button. You can see this is the tool, which is the gdown download generator. Just paste your URL here, then click on generate button. Then it will give you modified URL. Just copy that URL, and that's it. Your third step is done. Now the fourth step is to download in the terminal. How you can do that? Just type gdown space your URL which you copied now. Okay, so just open your terminal. Let me clear the terminal first. Now type gdown. Then paste your URL here. Now press enter. Now it will start downloading your file. It will take according to your file size and internet connection. So my file size is 3 MB. So you can see that our file is successfully downloaded. How you can check? Let me show you the files. You can see demo file.zip is present now. And this is the file which I have in my Google Drive account as well. You can see that. So it is successfully downloaded properly using G Drive. Okay, using gdown. Okay, so this is the very simple method to download large file as well. So you can download large files of Google Drive as well with this method. So this is the tip, guys. So use this trick and download Google Drive files if you want. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.